Greeting, my people. I am Toussaint l'ouverture, a man born into bondage who rose to lead a revolution that shook the world. Bonjour Pep Moinan. Moine ce Toussaint l'ouverture, yon non qui fait nan esclavaille men qui lève pou menan yon revolution qui te sakaille le mon. I did not fight merely for myself, but for the dignity of my people, for freedom, for justice, and for a future where no child would be born in Touche. Moine peat et goumen pou témoigne seulement, men pou di it Pep Moinan, pou libet, pou jisti, aka pou yon avni kot pag no ken timoun qui fait nan chen. When I fought for our freedom, I dreamed of a Haiti where unity would be our strength, where our independence would be our greatest treasure. Les MTAP goumen pou libet nou, moine te rêve yon Haiti kot init TAP fos nou, kot indépendant nou TAP pigwo riche nou. But now, ici division, struggle, and the remnant of oppression still hunting US. Men jodia, moine we division, li, aka restant oppression qui continue persiste sous nous. Look at our neighbor, the Dominican Republic. Instead of embracing US as brothers, we are divided by borders, by misunderstanding, and by fear. Gad voisine nou yo, République dominicaine. Oli yo akei nou ton coup frais, nous divise pa frontier, pa move compréhension, aka pa crent. And what of the so-called great powers of the world? They watch US, they exploit US, and they speak of it while shackling US with debt and corruption. Kiza nous dit de gros pouvoir mondial yo? Yo ap gad nous, yo ap exploite nous, et puis yo parle de aide pendant y ap chen nous aka de aka corruption. But we, the children of Dessalines, of l'ouverture, of freedom itself, we are not to be dismissed. Men nous, piti Dessalines, piti l'ouverture, piti libet, yo pa ka met nous sous cote. Haiti, my beloved Haiti, the time has come to rise again. Let US reclin or unity, or pride, or strength. Haiti, chéri moine, les arrive pour nous levanco. An reprend init nous, fiet nous, fos nous. We are more than our hardship. We are resilience, we are culture, we are freedom. Nous pli pas souffrant nous yo. Nous se résistant, nous se kilti, nous se libet. Stand tall, my people. Do not let the world define you, define yourself. Build your future. Honor your past. Camp doit Pep Moinan. Pa kite le monde défini nous, définite nous. Bâti avenir nous. Honor pas nous. Together, we move forward. Ensemble, NAP avance. Mais y empile parce que W te gade vidéo ça. Si ou ramène contenu ça et puis ou les 6 potes channel là, péabli fayon like, partage à ka abonnement. Pesti cloche la pou ou ka toujours recevoir des vidéo nou yo. Napé continue pot belle bagué pou, qui donc rete branche. Napé ouais nous non prochaine vidéo a. Ken bla songe, ensemble napé grandi.